Hello students, this is Kanika. Welcome to my channel PrepBiology. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss how to draw a dihybrid cross and how to find out the ratios of the dihybrid cross. Let's start. What is dihybrid cross? Dihybrid cross is a cross in which two allelic pairs are considered for a cross. That means two characters are considered for a cross, that is called the dihybrid cross. Okay, so we take the two characters of a plant, seed color, this is one, and seed shape, this is two. Seed color, we know the yellow and green. Yellow is dominant, green is recessive, and seed shape is round and wrinkled. Round is dominant and wrinkled is recessive. So in dihybrid cross we take the two characters. Now the parents, one contains a full dominant and one is full recessive. Dominant having capital RR, capital YY, that represent the dominant yellow and round, and other parent contains full recessive, that is small rr, small yy, that is recessive, green and wrinkled. Now the gametes are formed, capital RY and small ry. Fusion takes place in the F1 generation. It has capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small y. Okay, after the fusion takes place, it results in capital R, capital Y, small y. Now we know capital R dominates over the small r, that shows the round seed, and capital Y dominates over the small y, that is the yellow seed. So in F1 generation, first filial generation, we have all the seeds are round and yellow, that is dominant in character. Now in the F1 generation, selfing takes place, that is the self-fertilization takes place of the F1 generation. This is the one parent and this is the second parent. Okay, now the gametes are formed of one parent, that is capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, capital small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. So these are the four gametes of one parent, as same as that of this parent. Okay, four gametes of this parent, four gametes of this parent. Now we make the Punnett square. These are the four gametes of one parent and these are the four gametes of other parent. Now fertilization takes place, fusion takes place, capital R, capital Y, capital Y form the capital R, YY. Capital R, capital Y, small y forms the capital R, capital Y, small y. Like this, the 16 offsprings we have. Okay, 16 offsprings we have in the F2 generation. Okay, this is the F2 generation, that is second filial generation. Now it's time to calculate the ratios of the dihybrid cross. First we take the round and yellow. Round and yellow is full dominant. We require one capital R and one capital Y. So we have capital R, capital Y. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, capital R, capital Y, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9. So 9 are round and yellow. Now we have round and green. We require capital R and small y. Capital R and small y. This is the capital R small y 1, capital R small y 2, capital R small y 3. We have 9:3. Now wrinkled and yellow. Wrinkled we require for wrinkled is small r and yellow capital Y. Okay, so we have small r capital Y 1, small r capital Y 2, small r capital Y 3. So this is 3. Okay, so if we write the ratios of this is, we have 9 round yellow, 3 round green, 3 wrinkled yellow, and wrinkled green is full recessive. Only we have one small r, small r, small y, small y. This is the pure dwarf that is wrinkled and green. So the phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. This is how we calculate the phenotypic ratio. Okay. If we calculate the genotypic ratio, okay, so the genotypic expression is first of all capital RRYY. So in this capital RRYY is only 1. So 1. Capital RR, capital Y, small y, 2. Capital RR, capital Y, small y, 1 and 2. Capital R, small r, capital Y, 2. Capital R, small r, capital Y, 1 and 2. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Capital R, small y, small y. Capital R, small y, 1. Now, capital R, small y, 2. Capital R, small y, 1 and 2. Small r, capital Y, 1. This is 1. Small r, capital Y, 2. This is 1 and 2. And small r, small y, 1. So we have 1. So this is the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross, 9:3:3:1. And genotypic ratio is 1:2:2, 4:1:2, 1:2:1. Okay. I hope this dihybrid cross is clear to you all.